Hi there and welcome to BhARTi Taylor. Today is a great day. I've gotten myself involved in Pinterest. It's basically a advertising platform where you can pin all of your products that you've created and designed into Pinterest, and people can click on your pin that you place into Pinterest, and basically it takes you straight through to the shop where you have your product, which is really awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And so today I just want to show you how to add a pin to Pinterest. I've already signed up to Pinterest. It's pretty easy. You just put in your name, details, date of birth, and also you can create a business channel on Pinterest. So I'm going to create a pin because I want to advertise one of the products that I've created and designed. So we go to create, and as you can see I've also got my logo uploaded as well, and you can see here that every time I put up a new pin it actually displays on my front page. So I've only just begun with Pinterest, and we'll see where it takes me. So I want to create a pin or a product pin. So we click on that, and the product that I actually want to sell is on Society 6. I've already got products which are preloaded to Society 6, but I want to start marketing and advertising my products in different marketing venues such as Pinterest. So we're just going to copy that URL address because this is what I want to sell to my customers. And we go back to Pinterest, and as you can see it's got here save from site. So I want to put that URL address straight into that, and the title I'll just copy that actually. Okay, now I want to display what this green Aboriginal ethnic dots bench looks like. So here is a facility where I can actually upload images of that particular item. And I've already pre-loaded it. And there it is there. Okay, that looks really nice. And I also want to add a carousel because I want to add an extra picture. The images are uploaded. I can now put a description on what this bench is all about. So I can put here original ethnic green dot bench, fashionable and trendy for home decor, because that's what it is, it's home decor. Can be used to sit on or put items on and used as a shelf. Originally designed by BhARTi Taylor Designs. Please click on link purchase. This item is fun, vibrant, and can brighten up any space. And that's basically all that I need to put, and we're just going to copy that URL again, and it says here add a destination link, and I want to put this into a folder, and it's called Stuff to Buy. So I've basically done that pin, and now I can publish it, and it will go public so everybody can see that particular item that is up for sale. You can put up as many pins as you like. I think the more that you have, the more that people are going to be able to see your work and what you've got on offer to for them to buy and purchase. But I really like that bench, so now we're going to publish it. Okay, and I'll put here see it now. And this is basically what people are going to see. And because I added it to a carousel, I've got a second photo so that they can see the actual design up close. I reckon that looks really amazing. It's nice, simple. So when people see the pin, they can save it to their Pinterest, and in order for them to buy it, all they have to do is click on that, and it will take them straight through to the actual shopping cart so that they can buy that particular item. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching BhARTi Tailored Designs. Today's been pretty short and sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and down below in the comments section I'll put all the links where you can buy all of my items. I've got different platforms and shops where you can buy my products from, and I'll be putting up brand new posts onto YouTube with other platforms where I sell all of my products. Thank you. Bye.